Hail Mallrat Hobbies, this is the OCM Mallrat and welcome to OCM Hobbies. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Bandai RelaxTime Hololive Sakamata Chloe RelaxTime figure. There you go. So, it is currently October 25. This is a RelaxTime figure of Chloe Sakamata from Hololive JP Generation 5. No, not 5. X. So she's from HoloX, but she graduated in early 2025. So graduated VTuber. Let's go. So I have not opened this box yet. So this is going to be entirely new to me. Okay. I didn't even know that she was coming out with a RelaxTime, but one clarification: she did not officially graduate. She affiliated, so she's an affiliate, which is probably how Cover Corporation can still come out with new Chloe merch. As we've seen, the previous graduated VTubers have kind of been phased out, so you don't see any new Gura merch, for example, or new Mume or Fauna merch. So anyway, let's check the box out. Okay, so it's her typical cute, Chloe's being her cute, dumb, stinky self. Right here, it looks like she's wearing a cute t-shirt and shorts. There's an orca in the back, of course, because that's Chloe. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay. So, got this from a con. I didn't even know that there was gonna be one. She totally, because I have been kind of watching Chloe's new persona. She has re-debuted. Just look around on YouTube, you'll find her. Okay. So this flew entirely off my radar until I saw it. I didn't even know. Okay, let's see. This is going to be entirely right. So this is wow, they really taped it, huh? Right. Just don't want to cut ourselves on camera. Or maybe we do. Hey. Really? I guess. Yeah, they'll make cute, cool shorts. Kind of damaging the box a little, but I'm not really a stickler for box stuff anyway. Okay, so Banpresto. Yeah, QR code. You guys want to check it out? Okay, let's see the Chloe one. I have never seen this. I don't know what to expect, actually. Okay. Seen more complex RelaxTimes. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so where's in here? She come in one piece? Oh, she does come in one piece. So no assembly. This is cute. The cardboard box right there. Yeah, she's in the plastic bag right there. Let's open her up. Come on, Chloe. Let's go. She's looking very, very adorable. It's Chloe. Of course, she's gonna look adorable. There you go. Plastic bag. Okay. Let's put that in the box later. But this is gonna find itself on my shelf. So there you go. That's the Chloe figure. Cute pose, cute balance between sexy and cute, of course. T-shirt. Oh, she's got a cute little collar with a heart. Let's see if it's molded or it moves. I think it moves just like her hair. Hair, it's molded. It moves. Those parts of the hair. Earrings are right there. Okay, she isn't wearing panties, by the way. She's wearing shorts. So, boo! You can smell it from here. It's cold. It's Chloe. Stinky. Just take a bath. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So, there's nothing more to explore here. There you go, guys. So, there you go. That was the Bandai Namco, Banpresto, Hololive's Sakamata Chloe RelaxTime figure. It's cute. What do I do with her? She's the first one in HoloX with her RelaxTime. I think she is, no? I would expect there to be a Laplace. Louis, not really. Akoyori could have RelaxTime. Yeah. Anyway, so there you go. Chloe. There you go. Anyway, if you guys liked what you saw, you know what to do. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so just a reminder that we have our main channel over at the OCM Hobbies. The OC Mall Rat over on YouTube. You're seeing this on the OCM Hobbies channel, where all my gaming and geek and horror gaming hobby stuff is. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my other videos. Mall Rat out. Mall Rat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.
It's Chloe. It's being cute.